Good day everyone. I am Lizelle Felicelda from BSED Science 2 and now I will show you a concrete evidence on how their physical environment changes over the past decade. So I have there two interviewees. So my first interviewee is Miss Flordeliza Mantica. So good day ma'am. I am Lizelle Felicelda from BSED Science 2 and I'm here to interview about our physical environment. So can you please introduce yourself?
Good morning. Good day, Miss Lizelle. I am Flordeliza Mantica and I live in Villa Teresita.
So my question is how your physical environment changes over the past decade.
Okay, as I observe, physical and environment changes for the few decades are, of course, for the infrastructure. We can see we have a lot of building built, including this our road, cementing, barangay road, and also we have the newly constructed barangay hall, and of course our covered court soon to be finished.
Yes.
And for our climate, as I observe now, rainy seasons and dry seasons are not the same as before. And also we are experiencing climate change, right?
Yes, climate change.
And as I observe, for our farm area are converted into business area. That's why, lots of farmers have no farm to be cultivated. That's why we are experiencing scarcity of food. So, and for our forest also, as you notice, lots of our trees are being cut for logging purposes and also for commercial. That's why we are always experiencing flood when rain comes. Have you noticed it, right?
Yes, that's true.
So while in our atmosphere, though the sudden smog appear, it's not like us in the city. So we're lucky here in our province. It's not polluted than in the city, but also we experience that our air before is more cleaner than today.
Yes, that's true.
So that's all as I observe.
So kanang naababay kanang kapareha sa una ug karon sa ato ang physical environment.
Yeah, in some reason because we live in this area and rural area, so it's more cleaner here than in the population. So simply because also it's because I think the people around us is more more aware of what are they doing.
Yes. So thank you for giving your time ma'am
Yes.
to answer my questions. And my second interviewee is Mr. Leo Bongalos. So good day sir, I am Lizelle Felicelda from BSED Science 2. So mang-interview day ko nimo sir about sa atong physical environment. So my question is how your physical environment changes over the past decades.
The physical environment changed for the past years due to the abuse of the people, especially in our forest,
Yes.
lowland, upland, and coastal areas.
Yes.
That's a very big effect of the change or changes of environment. That's all I can say.
How about in our forest, sir?
Due to the rampant cutting of trees without replanting,
Yes.
that's one aspect of the environment to be denuded.
Yes.
And also for the kaingin system in our lowland, especially our farm, especially our rice straws, burning instead of composting.
Yes.
And also our surroundings,
Yes.
the leaves and every leaves are very big contribution for the soil to be fertile.
Yes. How about the water, sir? Sa una og karon.
Due to the water changes because our forest is no longer sufficient supply of
Yes.
water, the what we so-called watershed. Okay.
So in our buildings or infrastructure, sa una og karon, sa may kalahian, sir.
Due to the use of high-tech or chemicals for the buildings, especially the roof,
Yes.
there's something not ordinary. Instead of using chemicals, traditional chemicals
Yes.
in the factory.
So, thank you, sir, for kanang ninggahin kag time to answer my interview. Salamat kayo, sir.
You're welcome, Miss Felicilda, and good luck.
Yes, thank you, sir. So that was the answers of my interviewees about how their physical environment changes over the past decade. So I hope that you learned and understand. And wait, I want to say this, that we need to keep our environment clean and healthy and be responsible enough so that we can preserve our environment for the future generations. Thank you.
If you don't want